welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now I know you guys can already tell by this video, I don't even know why I did it intro honestly, but because it's gonna be a quick ass video. But if you guys didn't know, we are at 9K, so this is gonna be our 9K giveaway. I think this is our second to last giveaway. Now when I say second to last, I'm not saying that after I reach 10K I'm not gonna, you know, do giveaways anymore, but it is gonna be less frequent as what I'm doing right now, which is after every 1,000 I do a giveaway. So I am gonna cut that down to, like, I don't know, after every 10, or I don't know how that's gonna be, but it is gonna be less frequent. And this is our second to last giveaway, you guys. It's so sad, but then again, I'm so happy. This video is kind of long overdue because I was supposed to record this video, but I didn't. But if you guys are new and if you guys don't know how this works, because I'm pretty sure the people that, you know, been subscribing and stuff like that, I know you guys already know how this works. Literally, like I said, these giveaways are mad easy. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed and make sure you follow my 2 social medias, which is gonna be like in the description bar down below, and that's literally it. And make sure you're like engaged in, like, you know, my videos and all that extra stuff, because like I said in my last video, in my last giveaway, I am literally checking now to make sure that you guys are actually, like, you know, actually following and are actually engaging on my channel, because I don't want to give anything away to someone that don't support me. So like I said, most of the people that lately that I've been picking have been people that commented recently on my previous videos and stuff like that, so I know that they're actually, you know, are engaged in the videos that I post and stuff like that. So, and also I pick in the comments, so if I see your name a lot, I am gonna, you know, I'm gonna remember you and I'm gonna be like, oh, you're gonna, you know, be the one to win the giveaway. But yeah, so literally that is all the things that you need to do. You need to make sure you're subscribed to this channel, turn on the post notification bell, turn on the post notification bell, and then go on my business Instagram as well as my personal Instagram. Make sure you guys follow. Honestly, you guys could spam me if you guys like, because that'll make me see your name and stuff like that, to make sure that I see that you guys are following. And also I think, yeah, that's it. Oh, and then lastly, you need to come back on this channel. Okay, bitch, can you speak? You need to come back to this video. Come back to this video and then comment underneath this description bar and comment done, which is basically it. Now this is gonna be a week long, like I always do. It's gonna be a week long, so since I'm gonna post it today, it is the last day that I'm gonna pick a giveaway winner is gonna be on Friday. That should make it about a week, so you guys can have a good amount of time to, you know, enter in, give everybody a fair chance to, you know, win and stuff like that. Now I'm really excited about the last giveaway. All right, so this giveaway, of course, what it's gonna be is honestly, I'm gonna let you guys decide, because I have did a poll before on it, and most people said that they wanted the lip gloss base instead of like the lip gloss products. But when I do choose the winner, I am going to give them the option to pick either or that they want to pick, honestly. So that's what this giveaway is going to be about. Now for the 10K giveaway, y'all, there's going to be 2 winners. And also the first winner is gonna get $100 to, okay, y'all, I'm not sure if this is gonna be exactly how I'm gonna do it, but the first one is probably gonna get $100 just to, you know, start off their business and stuff. Because I did realize that a lot of my subscribers and stuff, because it is about like, you know, most of my thing is like business related stuff. And I realize that a lot of you guys are younger and just want to start a business, and of course it costs money. I know 100 it ain't that much, but I heard people started a business or a lip gloss business or whatever business you're gonna start with like 50 bucks and stuff like that. So I feel like 100 should be like a good, excuse me, a good amount of, you know, something to start off. It's not the most, but it's something and stuff like that. So that's gonna be the first what the first one is gonna get, and then the second one is basically just gonna be the regular lip gloss base or whatever other product that I include in there. So I'm very excited about this one. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Like, make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you guys are what's that word, engaged and stuff like that, and actually, you know, keep up with my stuff, because y'all don't want to miss the 10K giveaway. Even if you don't win this one, you never know, you might be able to win the second one. So make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you guys follow me on my socials, because I'm probably gonna post updates and stuff like that on there as well. So make sure you guys are, like, you know, stay updated, and make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you guys have the post notification on and stuff like that. So, and I also really want to give people who actually do support me, you know, because bitch, I'm not gonna be giving someone 100 bucks that don't even support me and shit like that. So I don't know how many times I gotta say this, but I just wanted to put that out there. And also last thing, I did have a issue with the last winner, because she did stay out of the US. So if you are out of the US, I'm not saying that you can't enter, but it is going to be a little bit harder for you, because you would have to pay your own shipping, because shipping out of the US is mad expensive. So you can still enter in if you are out of the US. You would just have to pay for your own shipping. But like I said, I don't want to just make it seem like only US you know, my subscribers can, you know, join. I still want to make it for everyone, but just keep it in mind, if you are out of the US, you would have to pay for shipping, and I think shipping could range from like 30 to like 50-60 bucks. So keep that in mind. But thank you guys for 9K. We're so freaking close to 10K. I think we're like 9.1 now. So like we only need like 9 or 850 more people to subscribe so we can reach 10K. But thank you everybody that's been rocking with me and that's been supporting me and stuff like that. This isn't gonna be the last 2 giveaways that I'm ever gonna do. I'm gonna do more. So, but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, follow my 2 socials, and come back on this video and press done. But good luck to anybody that is entering, and bye.